Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. So as you saw in the title right now, it is a surprise video. And the surprise is, this is a giveaway video. And I really wanted this to be I mean, again, surprise to everyone. So we wanted to do this during when we hit 5,000 subscribers. But at that point of time, we were shifting home and personally there was a lot of things going on. So another thing is I totally forgot where I kept this particular car. When I bought this car, I bought it specifically to do a giveaway back then during 2024 I'm talking about. So you will be getting a 2024 casting and you know so back then I actually bought this one, I think two if I'm not wrong. So one I already did an unboxing on this in our channel unboxing video. So the second thing I kept it as carded because I again wanted to give it to someone who really loves collecting. So with that said, let me show you which car we are going to give away this week. This one. So this is a DMC DeLorean, and if you guys remember, or if you guys are new to Hot Wheels or in Indal collection, so this is a treasure hunt car. You can see the logo here. Okay, here it is. Here is the flaming logo. So this is a normal treasure hunt. I don't have a STH version. We didn't get any STH version of this DeLorean, but I personally like this, so I bought again, if I'm not wrong, I bought two of it. One I still have it unboxed. This is the second one. So as I mentioned, it's a 2024 casting. You can see here. At that point of time, I bought it for MRP, which was 179. So with that said, the condition for this giveaway is, so we all started somewhere. I'm not talking about collecting. I'm talking about the love for cars. So for me, let me start with myself so that it might encourage you guys to put that in the comments. So for me, if I'm not wrong, when I was a kid, I might have said this multiple times in other videos, but let's do it again here. The very first car which I saw and felt like wow, that was a Mitsubishi Lancer. It was a black color. People still have that car, in maybe repainted or in still having that same color. So that was one of the higher authorities car back then when my dad was working in a cement factory. So he used to tell me, and there are a lot of people used to tell me that is the only guy who owns a Lancer. So we used to go to that. It is a colony, so those guys used to live in a different houses because those are like big houses compared to ours. So we used to go there. We just stand in some place, like hide at hide behind those crotons and all this, plants, and we used to see that black Lancer. So that is the that was the first love for me. So I oh my god, I'm just going to cry at this point. Okay, so the second one is, I would probably say I do like Ambassador a lot because Ambassador is the car that defined India, if you ask me. So that is something I always love. I mean, like even till today, I love that car. Even though I never driven that car because I was a kid back then, right? I was studying maybe I was a 90s kid, so you might remember now. You might know now, what status I was in at that point. And we never owned a car. As you guys saw my post very recently, I earned and I bought that car. So when I was a kid, we were really struggling at that point of time. I mean, so we had two bicycles. Even after I completed like seventh standard or so. The first cycle we bought at that time, and the second one was given by the government as a free one when I think I was studying 12th standard. That's our transportation, at least I had when I was a kid. So with that said, so the first one was Lancer, second obviously Ambassador is on top of everything. But the next cars are like, my favorites, my personal favorites, because it looked really peppy and fun to even see those cars. Those are like Chevrolet Beat and Chevrolet Spark. So even though Chevrolet is not here in India nowadays, I do love those cars. People are still driving those cars and they keep it really, and they maintain those cars really well. I saw a lot of Beat and Sparks, after I bought my Ignis, very recent. I'm not even talking about a month or so. I'm just talking about couple of days back. So I saw these cars, in Chennai in this Sholinglanur stretch. So these are my favorite cars, which started my love for cars. So after that, after I grew up a little bit, maybe around when I was doing 11th standard or 11th grade, if you may, or high school, if you for other countries. So that time, I was playing a game called Asphalt Urban GT in one of my friends' Motorola keypad phone. So that the last car which we are supposed to unlock was a Lamborghini Murcielago. It's a black color, if I'm not wrong. So I didn't know what car it was, but I was able to spell that word Lamborghini. So I was like, "Yo, I never heard heard about that car until that point." So I know Nissan and I know Toyota. Because Toyota was in India a lot. Toyota had, I think Qualis. There is one more really good car at that point apart from Qualis. I need to check my brain once again. So I know about Toyota, Maruti, Suzuki, and Nissan, and even couple more cars like Ford, even Chevrolet, because Ford and Chevrolet are very big brands in US, right? So I never heard about Lamborghini. I even heard about Lotus and all, because again from this Lotus and Lamborghinis are from video games, which I came to know. But rest I actually saw some cars in real, so I know. But those are Indian cars, not the cars you guys see in your countries if you are from other country. So I was really motivated to unlock that car, because even only with the silhouette it looked really beautiful. So I played constantly for nearly, I don't know, 1 hour or 2 hours. That was his new phone. He just bought it and he gave it to me just to show it to me. I bought it and started playing that game. It was a preloaded game at that time. So I completed the entire game and I unlocked that that Murcielago at that point. So at the moment I saw that car, I really loved it. So I was like, how can mission can be this beautiful? So you know. That's it. This is my story. And okay, after that he immediately uninstalled that game. So because it was his new phone and I was playing for nearly 2 hours straight. Okay, so with that said, your comment needs to have these details. What was your very first car which you fell in love with? It doesn't matter, like I mentioned, whether it can be a Maruti Zen or it can be an Ambassador if you are in India. So if you are in other countries, it's up to you what car you fell in love with first and why you love that. Loved that car. There might be some kind of story which I mentioned right now, like the Lancer one. So there might be some kind of story for you guys as well. So either it can be because of the performance, or because it looked cool, or because someone hyped it up for you, or some sentimental value, whatever it is. So these two needs to be in that comment, like what car, why you fell in love with that car. These things I need in that comment, and we will be announcing this giveaway winner by first week of July, the 3rd or 4th, around that time, that Friday or Saturday. So because I am having again leaves on those, like holidays on those days, so it will be easy for me to go through all the comments and pick a winner. So you have 2 weeks at this point, so it's up to you guys. Okay, we already crossed 8 minutes at that point of time. Got it. Okay, so with that said, again one more thing, please don't mention, please give me this car, I love Hot Wheels, so give me this car. Please don't mention, don't do like that. Just I'm asking a very simple thing so that I can also know. I even started a community in YouTube as well. I'm seeing very few people are posting there. I want more participation there also, because I want people to interact with each other, with me, so that we can just share the love of cars first and then collection next. So yeah, with that said, I'm ending this video here. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.